Pete Zielinski with AdditiveManufacturing.media. I'm at Matsuura. One of the most significant impacts of metal additive manufacturing is going to be on plastic part production. I'm referring to conformal cooling, the chance to use additive manufacturing to build conforming cooling channels into an injection mold component. More effective cooling potentially means seconds per part shaved from the injection molding cycle, the cycle making a plastic part. Now, seconds per part might not sound like much, but multiply that across millions of parts that might be made through injection molding, might be made using a tool like this, and the result could be production so much faster that fewer injection molding presses would be made to achieve the same production in the same amount of time. One other feature of this machine from Matsuura, it is a hybrid machine. In addition to building additively, it also mills as it goes, machines the part to completion within the same cycle. The result can be considerable lead time savings for the chance to make this component complete all in one cycle, as opposed to different setups for machining, EDM, heat treat.